Hi guys. Okay, the next book I'm going to read is called Squid Underwater World. So it's like a science book learning about creatures. The author is Deborah Coldiron. The reading level is a 4.3. It gives you half a point. The quiz number is 117356. Again, I'll put it in the description. That way you guys don't have trouble. So again, this one's called Squid Underwater World. Table of contents. It's about 30-ish pages. It will go by fast, don't worry. So the world of squid. Every living creature needs water. Some animals not only need water, but they live in it too. Scientists have found more than 250,000 kinds of plants and animals living underwater. That's a lot of animals. And they believe there could be 1 million more. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. This squid is one animal that lives in the underwater world. There's a picture of our Earth, our beautiful Earth. Squid, also known as torpedo-shaped creatures with soft bodies and many arms. There are more than 400 kinds of squid on Earth. Squid come in many sizes. The smallest squid is less than 1 inch or 3 centimeters. The largest squid may grow up to 60 feet long or 18 meters. That's a lot. Like, that's really, really long. Allie's listening to the story too, so I'm showing her the pictures. It says there is a wide variety of colors and patterns among the world's squid population. So they don't all look the same. They come very, very different. Squid cannot live in fresh water. They make their homes throughout the world's ocean. They are found everywhere from warm, shallow areas to even the cold depths of the sea. Squid spend most of their time swimming. So what do they spend most of the time doing? Swimming. Sometimes they hunt for prey. Other times they swim fast or hide to avoid predators. Their bodies are designed to move quickly and easily. There may be thousands of squid in a school. So just like there's a school of fish, there's a school of squid. There could be thousands. Big number. Squid are intravertebrates. The main part of squid bodies is a bullet shape. It's called a mantle. So the way it's shaped, it's called a mantle. The mantle is right here. This is the mantle. And it's shaped like a bullet. To move, a squid takes water into the mantle. Then it forces the water out through a tube called a siphon. And let's see where that one is. Oh, it doesn't point to where it's at, but it does. The siphon can be aimed in many directions. This helps the squid control which way it moves. So here's just basically showing you the body of the squid. It says that this right here is the arms of the squid. You got the eyes on each side. You got the mantle that we talked about. Again, it's the bullet shape. Right here's a fin. And of course, this is another fin. This is called suckers, right? The things that it holds on to. And this is grasping club. So those little tiny dots, again, are called suckers. But the whole thing is called grasping club. It also says that these are feeding tentacles. So feeding tentacles. And then it's showing you an example there. There's a squid, and it's going on and grabbing like a little fish. Feeding tentacles are grasping clubs in action. Most squid have 10 arms that are lined with many suckers. 2 of their arms are often much longer than the others. These special arms are called feeding tentacles. Squid use them to grab their food. A squid's mouth is surrounded by its many arms. The mouth has a pair of beak-like jaws. The squid uses its jaws to bite off chunks of flesh from its prey. That looks kind of scary. It says some squid suckers are lined with saw-like teeth. So you can see in there what the teeth look like. That looks, I guess that's the teeth right there.
It is.
Inside the squid's mouth, there is a rough tongue called a radula. This helps cut the squid's food and move it to the stomach. Squid eyes are very similar to human. And squid have excellent eyesight. So they're saying their eyes are just like ours. They're very, very similar to humans. And they also have really, really good eyesight. Squid also have well-developed brains. Scientists consider them to be among the world's smartest animals. I don't know if you guys ever seen those YouTube videos where the squid's like trying to escape from humans, because they're very smart. Some squid eyes have a cornea over the lens, so we have a cornea too. Like human eyes, squid without corneas have protective eyelids. So it's just basically giving you a little insight of what the eye looks like. Which is bigger? Scientists have long wanted to see a live giant squid. In 2004, 2 Japanese scientists dangled a camera and bait more than a half mile, 1 kilometer deep. A giant squid grabbed the bait. In 2007, some fishermen working near Antarctica caught a colossus squid. It was even bigger than the giant squid. The colossus squid is the true squid giant of the sea. It looks bulky. It has short arms, but its mantle is longer and wider than the giant squid. The giant squid is longer and slender. So it's giving you a comparison of both of them. It's saying that here is the giant squid, and then here is the colossus squid. So you can see that its body is obviously longer, but this one is a lot more slender. A growing squid. Squid mothers. Squid mothers lay their egg case on the ocean floor in clusters. These are called mops. Most squid mothers do not care for their eggs. Each finger-shaped egg case holds 150 to 300 eggs. Squid hatch as tiny larvae. Then they grow quickly to full size. Squid have short lifespans. Some squids live less than a year, while others live up to a few years. So again, their mothers do not care for them, and they lay 150 to 300 eggs in one case hold. And they said that it's like a finger-shaped egg. So it's really not big at all. Again, it says that they have a short lifespan. They live less than a year. And then here's a picture of what it looks like. It says this is a cluster of squid eggs. Many female squids become weak after laying their eggs. In fact, most of them die shortly after. So after they lay their eggs, a lot of them die. Ooh, look at this one, full of pictures. Family matters. I know there's a really bad glare, but I will show you the pictures as I go. Family matters. Squid belong to a group of animals called cephalopods. Cephalopods have soft bodies and many arms. They are some of the most intelligent creatures in the sea. There are around 800 unknown species of cephalopods. These groups include octopus, cuttlefish, etc. So it's giving you this one says right here that it's a cuttlefish. And then this one says, octopus have 8 arms with no feeding tentacles. The other ones say, unlike cephalopods, there's others that have hard shells. Some have as many as 90 arms. These arms do not have suckers. It says octopus are famous for their ability to use camouflage to hide. They change their skin color and texture to stay out of the sight of predators. Flamboyant cuttlefish is small but deadly. It is only about 2 inches or even 5 centimeters long, but its flesh is toxic. This is the one that says its flesh is toxic. This one right here. And of course, that's an octopus changing colors to hide from predators. This one up here, it says, the blue ring octopus is one of the most poisonous animals in the ocean. Its numbing venom is more powerful than any land animal's venom. Wow, that's crazy. Powerful predators. Squid are very capable predators. They eat many kinds of fish, shellfish, and plankton. Scientists believe that some squid, such as the giant squid, may even eat other squid. Squid attack their prey in quick jolts. Their feeding tentacles shoot out in front of them to capture prey. Some squid even have poison glands they use to stun other animals. It says Humboldt squid eat prey such as fish. They use their beak-like jaws to tear food into small pieces that can be easily swallowed. That sounds really dangerous. You can see there that it got the fish. You can see the fish right here. And it's basically sucking it up, taking it. Danger zone. Many animals depend on squid as their major food source. Whales, sharks, seals, and many kinds of fish hunt squid. There are even birds and crabs that eat squid. Humans eat squid too. Birds such as these here to the left and these here to the right and to the bottom are ones that eat squid. So pelicans, petrels, all of those different types of birds eat squid, including ourselves. Almost done, guys. A few more pages. To help protect them from predators, squid perform special tricks. Their bodies help them hide and escape. That's like what I said about that YouTube video. If you go onto YouTube and you type in like squid or even octopus trying to escape, there's a lot of videos about that. So it says to help protect them from predators, squid perform special tricks. Their bodies help them hide and escape. Squid have ink sacs inside their bodies. When they feel threatened, they can shoot out ink. The ink turns clear water cloudy and helps the squid escape. Squid can also change their skin color. Some squid even give off light. These abilities help them hide. They also cause confusion, which helps squid escape. Look at the people that are actually trying to eat the squid. So it says, some people enjoy dried squid as a chewy snack. Others include it in stir fry and other types of food. Squid ink is also used in cooking. It adds flavor and food colors such as rice and pasta. So they use the flavor in food and they use it to even color foods. So again, there's the picture of the squid being dried and hung so people can eat it. Fascinating facts. So here's some facts in case it's on your AR test. Squids have 3 hearts. 2 heart supplies the gill with blood. Let me read that again. Fascinating facts. Squid have 3 hearts. They have 3 hearts. We only have 1. They have 3. 2 heart supplies the gill with blood. The third pumps blood through the squid's body. Humboldt squid are also known as red devils. This name comes from the many stories of squids attacking their fisher near the coast of Mexico. It says Humboldt squid are also called jumbo flying squid. These squid can shoot out of water while fleeing from their enemies. So you might even see them jump out of water. Many years ago, fishermen feared a sea monster they called the kraken. They said it could wrap its long arms around a shrimp, not shrimp. Okay, so that it can wrap its arms around a ship and drag it into the sea. Today, people think the legendary kraken was actually a very large squid. So I guess there's a legend out there saying that there was a ginormous squid. You see it from here all the way down. And that it could basically grab the ships that are in sail and drag them down to the water. So, it says there was a sea monster. I guess we should find out later. Learn and explore. Many people have searched for live giant squid, but marine biologist Steve O'Shaw decided to grow one. O'Shaw collected giant squid larvae. Today, he is trying to grow them in his New Zealand lab. The experiment is a first. Hopefully, it will help people learn about giant squid. It says here is him examining the body of a giant squid. Look how big that squid is. Look at the tentacles wrapped around his neck. And that's it. And that is it. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the description below and make sure you guys AR test on it, okay? I'll see you guys later.